I want to share a practical approach to integrating SaaS and cloud solutions across the enterprise. Because most organizations underestimate how much value is lost when systems, data, and processes do not operate together. Over the last decade, companies have adopted dozens of cloud and SaaS applications. Each one solves a local problem, but very few improve the performance of the enterprise as a whole. The result is predictable: fragmented data, inconsistent processes, manual work, higher cost, and slower decisions. Here's how organizations can integrate in a way that actually improves business outcomes. First, start with the business process, not the system. Begin with the outcome you're trying to achieve: reducing out of stocks, improving cash flow, improving customer experience, or accelerating product launches. When you map the process end to end, the breaks in the data, decision making, and accountability become crystal clear. Integration starts with understanding the job to be done. Second, establish a single source of truth for critical data. Product data, customer data, pricing, and inventory cannot live in multiple places. Define the system of record for each domain and ensure all other systems consume from that source. Without data clarity, integration does not succeed. Third, use modern integration patterns, not point-to-point connections. API-first design, event-driven updates, and an integration platform that coordinates workflow creates scale and resilience, not technical debt. And this is important. Organizations often assume that they need to replace their ERP or core systems to modernize. In most cases, that is not true. The majority of business outcomes can be achieved by integrating and extending the systems already in place. ERP replacements are disruptive, costly, and often deliver limited benefit unless the underlying processes, data integrations are addressed. Modern integration allows organizations to modernize without destabilizing operations. Fourth, align the organization. Integration changes how people work, who makes decisions, and how information flows. If leadership is not aligned and governance is not in place, the technology will not deliver the intended outcomes. And fifth, design for reuse and sustainability. Reusable APIs, reusable data services, and clear documentation accelerate change and prevent the recreation of technical debt. Let me make this real. In order to cash, when commerce, CRM, credit management, ERP, and logistics share real-time data, organizations reduce cancellations, improve fill rates, and accelerate cash. In product lifecycle, when product information management, digital asset management, commerce, and marketing are integrated, product data flows once and is reused across the enterprise, improving accuracy and speed to market. And in customer engagement, integrating CRM, customer data platform, and service systems provides a unified view of the customer and improves lifetime value. Integration is not about connecting systems. It's about enabling the enterprise to operate as one organization. At Jacob Meadow Associates, this is exactly the work we do, helping companies modernize by aligning business outcomes, processes, data, and technology so organizations can perform at a higher level without unnecessary disruption. If you would like to explore how integration can accelerate your organization's transformation, connect with me on LinkedIn or visit harrisonallenlewis.com.